Hello, you beautiful people. And James. And welcome back, guys. Today we bring you another new video with another new article. And this one is a man quit his job to sell burps in a jar for a living.
And
So that was
and
the
his
title of the
used
article.
socks.
Mm.
Wow.
Hey, he's on to something, man. He cracked the code.
So
Cracked the code, bro.
this guy right here that I'm throwing on the screen, he cracked the code. Like Gio said, he said, you know what, 9 to 5 was good and all, but I'm kind of gassy. I'm selling these burps.
He got different flavors, bro. He got Taco Bell flavors. He got McDonald's flavors. He got all kinds of. Hey, if you want a pure that character's extra, I mean, then he has a fast. That means Jake's nothing but water.
That's insane. Like,
Yeah.
how would you even find a customer for this? Like, how do you
begin this business? I can't even fathom how he began it. It's like, so he's like, fuck, that smelled nice, man. You should sell that. He's like, fuck, I should.
Yeah, like, yo,
saying?
what did you eat? What did you eat? We need to get more of that.
Nah, it's those banana burps, bro.
Banana burp.
Bro, look at the painting above the banana. Gosh, you gotta blur that shit out.
I'm not blurring nothing out. So he claims he's making.
Oh, God, just
He going in on that dick. Oh.
I just seen it.
I just seen that too. No, I can't stop looking at it. I gotta look away. Shit. Yeah.
He claims he makes $22,000 selling these jars of burps.
Nah, pounds, mate.
Yes,
pound sign.
It's a pound sign.
22,000 pounds by selling his burps and used socks.
Wait,
Used
this guy lives
socks,
close.
though. Come on, like if you want, like, why? Like, but how smelly is it? Like, does it have to be sweaty? Like, does it have to stick to a wall? Because, like, I've got sweaty feet. I would sell my socks. Like, I get into that, you know.
So it says Curtis Gibbs. He's 25, and he says his life changed since he started to fulfill people's fetishes online. Like,
don't do it.
Don't do it. I guess he typed up like weird fetishes, and people was like, "Hey, yeah, I'll take a burp." And
I'll take 3.
I'll take this. So he started a bit. Wow. So he went from making 1,300 pounds to 22,000 pounds. Wow.
Wait, that's a good upgrade. That is fair
Yo,
play
Bulldog,
to him, man.
Man, take one for the team, bro. You be burping.
No,
people pass out from mine. I'll send mine to the military.
China would pick that shit up.
Use it as napalm.
Yeah.
the new COVID.
Bulldog burp.
Yes, it's called the Bulldog.
Okay, so he's actually getting requests. He says that the list is endless when it comes to strange requests. There's one guy asked him to gulp down a bottle of Coca-Cola, then burp it into a jar, then post it to him.
Oh, so it was like one guy, and they've just taken that one time. So he's a fetish.
He's a
fetish pleaser.
James.
Bulldog. I'm not doing it.
I ain't fucking doing it.
I'm not doing it.
Someone's like, "Oh shit, in the jar, send him. Fuck off." Oh, fine.
I mean, hey, it's not you that's gonna receive the jar of shit.
That's just, mate. You'd have some weird, mate. Ooh.
Wow. He even has a studio dedicated to his craft. Like, the bigger he got in popularity, he's like, okay, this is serious now. I'm gonna quit my job and start selling burps. And this guy right here, he's burping for you. Let's see. I made the decision to quit retail in November 2019 due to mental health. I'd worked retail all my life. He's 25, so he worked all his life. Well, I guess say like 8-9 years he worked. I'd rather I had enough and couldn't deal with human interaction anymore. I feel the same way. I don't see how it's even possible for me to even put myself in retail. I just don't. I don't. He converted his spare bedroom into a content room.
Okay. So he re-identified himself, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now he's making a lot of money because he did that.
Yep. So
See, that's all you gotta do. That's how you break the code. You gotta re-identify yourself, drop all that shit that you thought you knew, and figure out some other stuff, and you win.
Start selling some burps.
Selling any.
James, you sell the burps. I'll sell the socks. George sells the hair.
No, you
Wait,
more than I
what
do.
hair?
Pubes.
Oh,
What hair? Look at my forehead. I ain't got no hair this hair. Man.
Pubes, bro, downstairs, man. It's gonna be disgusting, isn't it? No one's gonna want your head, top head. They're gonna want your bottom hair.
they don't want
Okay.
they want the bottom head.
Yeah. Your ball sack will become a farm.
Nah,
Bro.
man. Like, this is crazy how the world is, man. It just proves to you that people.
Weird.
It proves to you people just have too much money and has nothing.
Time.
Have nothing to buy.
So I'm starting
So-
to think he might be on that special website because he says he added, "I'm proof that you could have a chubby belly and chest hairs in this line of work." I think he
James,
might be on that.
he-
I think he
OnlyFans.
might- Yes, sir. I think
He got on the
so.
OnlyFans, bro.
I
Hey,
think
Bulldog.
so. Oh,
You got a green screen.
So he sells burps, farts, and his soul.
I told you, Bulldog. He's selling contracts. He's doing anything and everything, bro. He's winning. That's how you do it. He's contracted for life, bro. He ain't never gonna stop burping.
So Curtis's
That's
family
crazy,
also
man.
supports his endeavors.
Well, wouldn't you if he was like earning like loads of money and it literally doesn't hurt anyone?
It doesn't.
If as long as he was happy, like if
Yes.
someone in my family was
And
there, I'm
look,
like,
look,
are
look.
you chilling?
He looks
Like, as
he
long
looks
as-
happy. He looks
Yeah.
happy. You know,
I'm gonna
Like,
keep on saying. I'm gonna keep on saying, Bulldog.
Go ahead, Bulldog.
Hey man,
Hey, listen. Look, forget all the burping shit.
Yeah.
Making money is easy because people have so much money. We just need to figure out something to do. That's not so. What we've been
Gassy.
doing, you know what I mean?
Not so gassy, exactly. So instead of selling burps, we we got to look and see what some fetishes are going. Hey, I'm trying to tell you,
feet.
yo, I already told y'all. You owe our audience an OnlyFans channel, bro.
Oh yeah, you do.
Oh, shut
They got us in
See, you were
2,000
going with the
subscribers.
joke. I honestly thought you were going.
Bro.
They got us
Hey,
to 2,000 subscribers by January. You owe them OnlyFans account.
hey, Bulldog.
No, I swear.
People
I swear
will-
69,000.
People will
Oh,
pay you
okay.
to see that gamey toe, bro.
They won't, bro.
Yeah, they
Actually,
will.
if you could pay for it, sure. For
No,
it.
no. Hey, what you need to do? What you need to do is videotape you poking it with different things.
No. Oh,
That's fucking disgusting.
you want chip?
Chopsticks,
Go get it.
picks, like
Go get it.
toothpicks,
Go get it.
screwdriver, just poking at it with different angles.
Hack at it.